So in this video, I will talk about my internship experience during the summer. And before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shaheryar Malik, and I am EDISS student at Abo Academy, Finland, and now studying at Mälardalens University, Sweden. I completed my internship at Microsoft in Tampere office, and I was working remotely. It was kind of hybrid as well. I visited my office 4 to 5 times as well throughout the internship period, and had a couple of presentations there along with the presentation of results as well. But for this video, I will talk about some of the technical aspects, the project that I was working on, and also some other details, maybe the culture of the organization that I was working in, and then we'll conclude the video as well. And firstly, let's start with the project. I was working on monocular depth estimation, which is actually depth map estimation using single frame. And for this internship, the goal was to develop a proof of concept for the future products in order to improve the portrait applications. You might be familiar with portrait applications. Is that when you want to apply blurring on the background and keep the front object quite clear. And there are multiple techniques to do as well. And for the internship, I worked on a single image data set. And more or less, I was involved in training. I trained around 10 to 12 different architectures, and I also narrowed down my search to the top 3 ones based on some metrics that we defined. And other than that, I also applied the data fusion techniques throughout the internship period, because the goal was to look into how much boost these data fusion techniques that Microsoft wants to implement in the next product, how much boost they can give in accuracy. And for the dataset, I used NYUV2. It's a depth dataset that has RGB images, and also it has the depth maps, ground truth as well. And with that, I applied around 4 to 5 different methodologies, and these methodologies included different kinds of pre-processing before feeding the input image to the model. And a typical day, since I was working remotely, so I actually was able to fully flexibly perform my duties. I worked during the night as well sometimes, and also enjoyed the summer as well with my friends. And the culture of Microsoft has been amazing. The supportive team, I had a super cool manager. My supervisor was always there, and my colleagues were definitely, I had a daily communication with them, and they were always there to even answer my lame questions. So it was a very good culture, and quite accepted as well. So I overall enjoyed my internship, and that is it for this video. Thanks.